How to break a line of chained methods in Python. I have a line of the following code: don't blame for naming conventions, they are not mine. I don't like how it looks like, not too readable, but I don't have any better idea to limit lines to 79 characters in this situation. Is there a better way of breaking it, preferably without backslashes?
You could use additional parentheses.
This is a case where a line continuation character is preferred to open parentheses. The need for this style becomes more obvious as method names get longer, and as methods start taking arguments. PEP8 is intended to be interpreted with a measure of common sense, and an eye for both the practical and the beautiful. Happily violate any PEP8 guideline that results in ugly or hard to read code. That being said, if you frequently find yourself at odds with PEP8, it may be a sign that there are readability issues that transcend your choice of whitespace smile.
My personal choice would be
just store the intermediate result/object and invoke the next method on it, for example.
It's a bit of a different solution than provided by others, but a favorite of mine since it leads to nifty metaprogramming sometimes. This is a nice technique for building searches. Go through a list of conditionals to mine from your complex query form, or string-based deductions about what the user is looking for, then just explode the dictionary into the filter.